Solving TracFone call issues, a step-by-step guide.
Hello, TracFone users. Today, we're going to tackle an issue that some of you might have faced, not being able to make calls. Don't worry, we've got your back. Follow these steps, and you'll be making calls again in no time.
Is your device turned on and properly charged?
First things first, let's cover the basics. Make sure that your device is switched on and adequately charged. A phone that isn't turned on or is low on battery can cause call issues.
Do you have a strong network signal?
Next, we need to check your network signal strength. You won't be able to make calls if the signal strength is weak or if you're in a no-service area. If you find that the signal is weak, move to a different location where the signal might be stronger, like near a window or outside.
Is your TracFone active and loaded with minutes?
Another crucial factor could be your TracFone service status and available minutes. Remember, you can't make calls if your service is inactive or if you've run out of minutes. Check your device's status on the TracFone website or by calling customer service.
Have you tried restarting your device?
Sometimes, a simple device restart can work wonders. It helps refresh your phone's connection with the network and can often solve minor issues that may be preventing you from making calls.
Have you checked for software updates?
Outdated software might be another culprit. Ensure your device's software is up to date. Go to your device's settings and check for any pending software updates.
Have you tried resetting your network settings?
If none of the above solutions work, try resetting your network settings. However, bear in mind that this will delete all network settings on your device, including your Wi-Fi passwords. Make sure you have all your passwords saved elsewhere before proceeding. We hope these troubleshooting steps help you solve the problem of not being able to make calls on your TracFone. Remember, if all else fails, contacting TracFone's customer service might be your best bet. Thanks for watching, and happy calling!